Hey, what's up? This is Mark at alchemist.camp, where we learn Elixir and Phoenix by building things. Today I'm just going to do 3 quick updates. First one is, I got a new microphone. It's a dynamic mic and it's on an arm. That means it will block out a lot more sound that's further away from it, and I can record when my air conditioner is on, like right now. So far, the comments on it have been pretty good. Second thing is I've started a new GraphQL series. If you're an Alchemist Camp member, go check it out ASAP. This one is all members only though. Don't worry though, I'm not going to leave the rest of the channel hanging. I'm going to be interleaving other videos that are open to everybody. And the way that I pick them, if they're not totally spontaneous, is through this requests page, alchemist.camp/requests. You can get here from your profile page. The videos that have already been picked get this lightning bolt, then nobody else can vote on them. So you can see this one was quite a while ago, which is why it's at the top with only a priority of 13.6. But now that I have picked it, or now that I've started it, and I need more material to work on, I'm going to pick whatever's at the highest at the end of this weekend. Right now it looks like that's either going to be a step-by-step series on Ecto or a JSON API project. The two of these are pretty much neck and neck. If you have any strong preference, you should go to this page and vote before the end of this weekend. Or if you want something that's easy and you have a decent amount of votes saved up, go down here and vote on, well, anything that's easy. This is just one example, setting up Vim and NeoVim for Elixir development. If you don't have an account, you don't have any votes. So you should actually definitely sign up for an Alchemist Camp account, even if you just watch on YouTube, for 2 reasons. One, once you have an account, a free account, you'll get 1 voting point, which I call a green elixir, every week. And you can use those votes to vote on what you want me to teach. Second reason is if you're even considering getting a membership at some point, if I don't have your email, you won't know about any promotions or sales. I don't do very many sales, but I probably will on Black Friday. I did last year, so if you're interested in that, you should definitely sign up, which will get you on the email list. If you don't want that email, then just click unsubscribe on the first one and you'll never get another one. And you'll still get emails for things like a password reset that you request, all the transactional stuff. So that is really the extent of the updates. New mic series started and it's time to vote on the next one. Hope you have a nice weekend and I will see you next time.